up, YouTube? If you don't know by now, I go by Natural Milestone. Actually, I am very natural right now. And today's look is going to be this high puff. Very simple, very cute, just something on the go. I had a 5 days, actually 6 days, wash and go. Tomorrow is wash day and babe want to go to the movies, so I'm about to go ahead and get myself together. But if you would like to see this style, keep on watching. Let me turn this down a little bit. But my nails have jewels on them, and this one here, it actually gets caught in my hair, so I am going to be wearing gloves to do my hair because I went to the nail shop to go get them taken off, but there was so many people in there, I was like, ain't nobody got time for that, okay? So I'm only gonna be using a couple products, because it really don't take that much to do a high puff. Really just hair bands. My favorite Eco Styler gel. As you can see, it is like literally gone, but it's enough for what we gotta do today. Is use this Pantene leave-in conditioner repair spray just to add a little moisture to my hair. I usually use the Main Choice, but I'm literally almost out of this spray. I love this spray from Main Choice. So I'm gonna go ahead and let y'all watch and let me know in the comments below if you like it or will try it. finished look. And it's real simple, real easy. Took me about 5 good minutes. Once I got actually started, it took me about a good 5 minutes. Edge slate, and I am going to use some of this Main Choice on my bun. I just love it. I just love it, love it, love it, love it on my hair. It just makes my hair so shiny, makes it feel so good. And this is my high puff. So leave your comments down below. Let me know if you like it or not. I take both. It was real simple, real easy, something that everybody can do. Even short hair can get a high bun. Because I was once short, and got my high bun up there just like I just did this. So if you like this video, give it a thumbs up, like, comment, subscribe, and thanks for watching.